This is VJ from Canada, and this is our new technology spot, and our good friend George is going to tell us some of the options on the new kitchen appliances.
Solgy. It's a great fridge. First of all, you should turn it on, just press and hold. And after we see high temperature, after I push its wave touch panel, everything under control, and we could put all temperature that should be desired. In the freezer, it could be switched Fahrenheit or just again to Celsius mode, and as well everything. Amazing system. Showed as well filter status, everything. Option, and of course it's control lock. What do you see? This amazing. A special luxury design premium interior lighting. LEDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs. Just show all this area. Luxury design of drawers. Everything. With humidity control, it show it for beefs, apple, for example, low humidity. But if you use your drawer to keep your salad fresh, it's better use highest one. Of course, it's lighter. But the most what I like, it's perfect temperature drawer. Just easy pull out it. It's a huge space. For example, you could use it for the meat, fish, cheese, wine, chilled beer even. Special design chilled beer, and you could switch it. Its temperature for beer 1 degree Celsius. For white and sparkling wine it's 6 degrees. It's 9 presets, and you could choose your favorite 3 more for temperatures. For snakes 2 degrees. For cheese 2. For fish it's better -2. Okay, great. 2 lights LED to see everything. Move odors. It's special air filtration system here. It's circulating water, so you never will have any problem with your freshness of your air as well. It's a great advantage, the best on the like ice and water filtration system. For the 4 hours. It's specially designed, new form of cubic as well for your party. Okay, self-closing drawer. For example, you open it, you just push it. Oops. It's 2 pull-out drawers to organize. It's just fantastic to organize, and deep basket. And for small kitchen, and it still keeps space now.
It's VJ from Canada.